What is going on, guys? Good evening. It's your favorite mortgage lender, Abdel Khawatmi. Got mortgages. Man, we've got so much to talk about on inflation. We've obviously seen the impact on tariffs really hasn't hit yet. What are some of the things that we want to take a look at? Obviously, home builder confidence still remaining a little bit low. We're going to dive right into it, right? Taking a look at CPI, Consumer Price Index, really relatively fat at the core, 2.9%. Headline just jumping up just tad bit, right? Rise was mainly due to higher energy prices, again, jumped up 0.9%, food 0.3%. Core inflation, which again leaves out food and energy, rose 0.2% in June on a yearly basis. Part of that annual increase, again, in both headline and core reading is due to how inflation is calculated, lower numbers from June, obviously longer as included in the 12-month average. Bottom line, again, tariffs are expected to push prices higher. Their impact was smaller than feared. Some goods, again, like household, home furnishings and clothing, did see increases, but not much. Now, on the wholesale side, producer price index, prices held fairly steady in June. Again, jumped up 0.3% in May. Over the past year, wholesale inflation obviously slowed down to 2.3%, down from 2.7, lowest level since last September. Core wholesale prices, which exclude for food and energy, was also relatively flat as well. Annual rate easing from 2.6, right? It was originally 3.2. May's reading, again, was revised a little bit higher. Overall, the report was a lot better than we thought. Again, when we take a look at the PCE report, that's going to be coming out in about 2 weeks. We'll see some more updates on that right around the time. I believe it comes out on Thursday for PCE. Fed will meet right before that, so that should be great to see. Little bit of an uptick, obviously, in builder sentiment. Obviously, not as high as we want it, but we are seeing a little bit of a positive movement, again, below the 50-point average of where we want to see growth. But again, it is continuing that 15-month of weakening. We did see a little bit of increase in permits, 0.2%. And the good part is an almost 5% month over month increase. When we took a good start, of course, the rest is a little bit on the slower side. We talk about completions and stuff. What we are also seeing, again, new construction, obviously just not keeping up with the pace with the demand. Housing starts 1.3, permits 1.4, completions also at 1.3. Stronger spending, again, in mixed job. Retail sales jumped up 0.6% in June, really bouncing back from May's 0.9% drop. Biggest gains, again, were at car dealership, clothing stores, home improvement centers, and restaurants. Big key measures, again, on retail sales, right, we take a look at is just building material, food, services, a lot of different big gains when we talk about some of the revisions, right? And then, again, next week, we will see updates on existing home sales, new home sales report, and on Thursday, we'll get the elusive weekly jobless claim data, all right? So not too much going on, but, again, I think it's going to be crucial towards the end of the week. What is going to be the telltale, I should say, at the end of the month with the Fed? Are they going to be looking to cut? Are they going to maybe potentially pause and wait till the September meeting? Time will tell. Appreciate you guys jumping on. Catch you guys next time.